Hash method, soup. Slice one onion and all the mushrooms, finely. Peel the other onion and leave it whole. Add the mushrooms, onions, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of margarine. You must use both oil and margarine, to a heavy based saucepan and sauté over medium-high heat with a pot lid on until the onions start to brown. Stir intermittently. 12 minutes. Remove the lid, turn the heat down and sauté for a further 15 minutes, or until all the liquid released by the mushrooms is absorbed and the mushrooms and onions are lightly browned. Dice the garlic, finely. Add to the pot and stir into the mushroom mixture over medium heat for 1-2 minutes. Take care not to brown the garlic. Burnt garlic is bitter. Add 2 liters of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, salt, pepper and half the thyme, on stalk so that you can remove the stalks before blending, and the vegetable stock cube to the mushroom mixture. Bring to the boil, then turn the heat to medium-low and simmer for around 15 minutes. Remove the soup from the heat. Remove the thyme. Add the whole onion, and half the sliced mushrooms and onions to a blender. Blend until smooth. Return soup to the pot. Over medium heat add the coconut milk and the thyme. Simmer for 12 minutes. This step is optional. Cool 1 cup of soup liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of margarine to a pot, melt. Remove from the heat. Stir in 2 tablespoons of flour until absolutely smooth. Add 1/8 cup of cool soup liquid. Blend until smooth. Slowly add the balance of the liquid, stirring all the while. Return to high heat and stir until the mixture bubbles and thickens. Add to the soup pot and stir vigorously to blend. Heat through and serve with garlic bread.